Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe update today. Bonk is doing super extraordinary, right? So if I show you Bonk before we get into Pepe, because I think Bonk and Pepe have very similar behavior in the past as well, if you've been watching the videos. So if you look at Bonk, we've seen a break, a retest, and you can see it's pretty much confirming, and the move to the upside is actually starting. So something very similar is what I'm expecting when it comes down to Pepe as well. So we go back to the Pepe update, the Pepe chart here. We're going to see that we still have a very similar situation right there. So you're coming down, and you probably could start to go to the upside once we touch the trend line for real. Now, unfortunately, when you broke, you still haven't really retested the line itself, right? So I thought this was where the line could have been retested, but you didn't do so. And right now you're still sideways. Maybe the intention is to still come down and retest big time and then go up, because people may have their stop losses here as well. That can actually make sense to take the stop losses and then try to go back up again. I think overall the market is still situated to be safe. I don't think there's anything wrong at the moment. And then again, right, so nothing has happened since yesterday, so I'm not going to make a long update today, and could be chances of taking out stop losses here. But if you end up coming way down to 876, that's going to be a negative sign for movement to the upside. And that's all for this update. I'm going to see you the next one. Love, peace.